Okay, we have stopped off at Llyn Dinas. I have been here 2 occasions before, possibly 3, I don't know. But Nigel's been here once before as well. Look what I got on, my dry robe, which can only mean one thing, Nige.
You going in?
Wim off! Yeah, we're gonna have a little walk around this lake and possibly have a dip as well. Show brave we feel. Nigel haven't even brought a towel. For babies, isn't he? So I don't know if you ever watched my Anglesey road trip, what I done with Rodri, but at the end we were in this lake for about, obviously not on the video, we was in there for a good 2-3 hours just snorkeling with the wetsuits on. Fantastic. Me and Ruru been over there on the bridge, and this is where Rodri lost my snorkel. Somewhere in there, Nige. It's midday now, so it's very unlikely we're going to get any show wedding photos, but we'll have a look. But I'm not planning on capturing anything nice. I got nothing in mind to photograph, but we're just going to walk on this lake and see what we capture. I've got the drone with me as well. Might pull that up. Come on, Wim. Go on, Wim. Get under it, yes! Come on.
I'm going, John.
Do you want to go get a photo? Let's get a photo with you. Okay. The shoulder and let's get it. Nice. Good John. Nice. Did he, boy? Yeah.
I was sitting too much.
Yes, right, that's what I mean. Oh,
Sorry about that.
so, as you just seen, me and Wim off, we just had a little dip. Face your fears, innit, Wim? Whoa! Yeah, tell you what, the sun's come out, and after we got dried off after that little swim, just lying there, and the sun flipping beautiful. Absolutely sunny here, nice, isn't it?
Stunning. What a day.
Where was you thinking? Up further, was it? Did you grab my drone? Thank you, that. This is where we come once, me and Ruru. So yeah, took a nice photo of Ruru on the bridge there. I don't even know if I'm going to take a photo here, but Nigel's interested. Taking a photo too. It would be a nice, a bit more of a downpour, but there's literally a little cascade or two. See there? Where Nigel is. There's nothing much. I'm not going to bother. You're not bothering? No. It needs a bit of a downpour, doesn't it? Yeah. But still a lovely location. So just had a little look at them falls, and it's not doing it for me. Nigel's taken 1 or 2, but I'm not taking any photos there, and I'm probably not going to take any photos on the lake, but always nice to come and have a little look and scout for future locations to come back to us at. But we're going to head back to the car now, get some food. There's a little bench over here, so have a little bit of munch up there. Water, still icy as well, that is. We've got, oh god, pepperoni, chicken, lettuce, and tuna mayo, and onion. And we're going to have a couple of lettuce wraps. Oh, and we've got pork butter.
They're the ones we picked up in that shop then.
Yeah. Take that outside on our side. Use that as a bit of a base. There's your little plate there. No, that's your plate.
That's my plate, isn't it?
That's your plate.
Thank you.
So nice. There's your food.
Thank you. Put that on my plate then.
Basically, nice. What do you do? So, look at this wrap. Beautiful.
Let's have two of them then.
Mmm. I'm in.
Super. No need for bread, is it?
Hmm?
No need for bread.
No need for bread, boy. A pork sausage, one.
It isn't what, Nigel.
Anyway, we've had a bit of grub, we're still here. Nigel fancies taking a few, where we gone? Long exposures of these rocks on here shooting across the lake with the mountain peaks in the background. So I don't know if it's any too bright though, whether this is going to be any good, but I'm going to get over here, set up the camera, probably put a 10 stop on and try it from there. Just bloody jumped through the fence just now, and as I jumped off the wall, hit the branch, smashed me on the head. Change of plan for me. I'm not gonna shoot. I'm just not feeling it at all. Composition just isn't doing it for me, but Nigel's gonna give it a go. Anyway, one or two from you, and then we're gonna head on to where we go in Cavalcade, Nige. Yeah. Head on up that way, and then hopefully that'll be kind of a similar shot where we're shooting across the lake with all the rocks, Snowdonia mountain range in the background, and hopefully a nice sunset tonight, because we didn't get that last night. Fingers crossed, Nige.
Fingers crossed.
What's it called? Llyn y Mymbyr. I'm a natural, aren't I? Yes, we are here at Llyn y Mymbyr. Please, please, please excuse my pronunciations of Welsh. I struggle with English. But anyway, look at that. We got Snowdon Peak right there. And is that cribbing next to it? Oh yeah. What's it called? What's that one called? Huh? Crib, that's the one. What did I say? Cribbing, yeah. So it goes Snowdon, Crib Go, and all the rest of them. I'll put it up by you, don't I? But composition. This is Llyn y Mymbyr. Composition, guys. We're just gonna aim for these couple of little rocks here. See that one there leading in? Hopefully get a little bit of sun on there. Long exposure, flat on the water, lovely bit of colour across here, and hopefully when that sun goes down throws some colour across the sky. That's asking for perfect conditions, but it's been a struggle by here. Walked right over here, looking at that tree, maybe a couple of rocks leading in, but yeah, I've struggled for composition, but time is running out. We've got about 10 minutes till sunset, and we've both settled for not far off the same composition. We're not far from each other. What have we done today? 2 or 3 locations, or I haven't had any photos this morning. Well, one this morning, Llyn y Dywarchen this morning. Then we went to that lake, didn't we? Llyn Dinas, yeah. I didn't get any shots there, and now we've come over here. And we're going to go from here down to Llyn Dinas and see if there's a takeaway, because Nigel deserves a treat for his birthday. So if there's an Indian open, I'm going to get him an Indian. If not, I know there's a kebab shop, burger place down there, and I'm going to buy him a Hawaiian burger. How's that sound, Nigel? Anyway, we're going to try 10 stop, see how he's looking. Nigel's taking 1 or 2. How's he looking, Nigel, over there? Oh, like this. Yeah. Nice silhouette, wouldn't be too bad neither of that mountain lines. But stay tuned. So the sun has just gone down, and we're hoping for some colour over here. I've been shooting with a 10 stop on, mixture of exposures. Don't know if any of them are going to be any good, but it's quite hard because obviously with shooting towards the sun, which has just gone down behind that mountain, obviously it's overexposing the sky with the 10 stop on. But we'll see what we got. Happy with anything, Nige?
A couple of average shots, nothing special. As usual.
He's very modest. He always posts some bangers, so I hopefully he'll send me some over to put on, and I'll add them to this vlog. And you can see who's the best out of me and Nigel. I know it's Nigel, isn't he? I was overexposed in the sky, but I'd say the rocks are alright. But it'd be nice now if we can get that colour behind the mountains, and hopefully it'll reflect onto the water, and we can get where all our water's looking white and creamy on there now. All that'll be nice and colourful. But let's see what happens. So that is it from Llyn y Mymbyr. Quite a nice little evening. Didn't get the colour. Well, say now, we are still leaving a little bit early. You know, it could still happen. It is 8 o'clock now, sunset's not till 1:15, but I don't know, just it's one of them ones, isn't it? Probably going to get back to the van now, start driving down the Llanberis Pass and think, oh my god, why didn't we stay, Nige? And Nigel's hungry, so we're going to take him for a nice bit of food now, and then we're going to head down to Llanberis and probably end up staying down that way. Options are to do the lonely tree, but we've done that 3 times, and the castle down there, Nige. Dolbadarn Castle. We could possibly do that in the morning, and we could possibly hang around and do the old them houses, what are they called, sorry? Anglesey Barracks. Or we might just get up and head on to bed as a coed, but Llyn y Dywarchen, that's the one. But that is it for tonight. We will see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
From here we head on to the Spice of Llanberis, where I treat Nigel to a lovely Indian meal. If you are in Llanberis, I highly recommend this place. Absolutely stunning food. Then we move on and find ourselves a lovely little park up in Llanberis, and then up in the morning, rise and shine, over to Dolbadarn Castle. I don't think I took any photos, just a few drone images and flew the drone, and then from there we head on to Fairy Glen and then over to Penmon.